Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The citadel of truth is immense, endless. Its gates are various and uncountable. The Buddha in the world opens them wide. Here, beautiful crown topknot clearly enters. All the Buddhas are one reality body. True suchness, equal, without distinctions. The Buddha always abides through this power. Immediate manifestation everywhere can fully expound this. The Buddha in the past saved beings in all realms, shining light throughout the world, teaching and taming by various means. This supreme teaching Ocean Surveyor realizes. The Buddha sees all lands, all resting on the ocean of doing, and rains the rain of truth on them all. Dragon Sound's liberation is like this. Furthermore, the Titan King Rahula found the door of liberation, of appearing as the honored leader of the masses. Bhimachita found the door of liberation, making countless eons manifest. The Titan King, skillful magical arts, found the door of liberation, extinguishing the sufferings of all sentient beings and purifying them. The Titan King, great following, found the door of liberation, of self-adornment by cultivation of all ascetic practices. The Titan King, Bandi, found the door of liberation, causing boundless realms in the 10 directions to quake. The Titan King, Universal Shining, found the door of liberation, of securely establishing all sentient beings by various techniques. The Titan King, Wonderful Adornment of Firm Action, found the door of liberation of everyone, gathering unbreakable roots of goodness and clearing away all attachments. The Titan King, Vast Causal Wisdom, found the door of liberation, of leadership with great compassion, free from confusion. The Titan King, Manifesting Supreme Virtue, found the door of liberation, causing all to see the Buddhas, serve, make offerings, and cultivate roots of goodness. The Titan King, Good Sound, found the door of liberation of the practice of sure equanimity, entering into all states of being. At that time, the Titan King Rahula, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over all the Titans and said in verse, "In all the great masses in the 10 directions, the Buddha is most unique among them."